Hi all. Finland Azure User Group Virtual Azure Tips and Tricks Extravaganza to the Max 2020 is here. Welcome. FAUG is about continuous learning and the community around cloud computing and Microsoft Azure. We have over 1,600 members and we organize over 10 events yearly, virtually and in person, of which the largest example is IGLUConf, held every January. Virtual Azure Tips and Tricks is a year-long event during which we present several about 30-minute talks about various topics by various presenters. Please tune in to our meetup site to view the upcoming presentations and to our YouTube channel to view the previous presentations. Thank you for joining us and stay safe.